YouTube individuals, this is Big Eddie with a addict update. We did some shopping over the last few months. Let me show you what I got. I got the Flying Saucer by Atlantis. I think that's a pretty cool ship. Got the Monogram El Camino. These all came from Mega Hobbies. Got Dom's Fast and Furious. Got me another 29 Roadster for when the mold breaks on these. Got the Dodge Dart. I just think the decals look pretty cool, and I don't have this kit, so that's awesome. Got the Mobius F-150. Can't have enough Fords in your fleet. Speaking of Fords, look at there, 65. Woohoo! Got the old Dodge with the mini bike. And with that, we're not monkeying around. Well, anyway, that will go with the other monkeys and the gorilla. So this is a Fuji. You guys can pronounce that. Fuji? But anyway, I went to Ollie's. Got me a... That was at Ollie's. That's a pretty cool looking plane. Rat Trap. The old Vega. Everybody's got to have themselves a King Chopper. And we have two of them, because that's how we like to do things here in the old attic. Got us a Snark with the crew guys. Limburg. And last but not least, I couldn't wait. I finally found one. The Spitfire Iron Maiden. I tell you what, I wish I built planes, because I'd be in there right now building this. That's just an awesome, awesome looking kit. Well, anyway, guys and gals, moms, dads, boys and sisters. Our brothers and sisters? Well, you know what I mean. This is Big Eddie with another addict update. I was going to go to the bench and build some models. Alright, guys. Oh, wait a minute, one more. These are filters for the little small spray booths. Mega Hobbies carries those. That was like $6 or $7. So, but anyway, just that's all we have for you today in the old attic. So this is Big Eddie signing out. Peace!